Hey everybody, so I got this open, got this starter out, and I noticed what's wrong with it here. If you look at it, pull this up, take a look at it. So if you look right here, you can see that there's that copper washer that's supposed to be one on both sides. It's starting to chew it up on that side right there. It's almost gone. If I'll rotate it around, take a look at this planetary gear. That bushing, that copper bushing right down in there is gone. See how on this side you can see one right there? To turn this around, look at this one. There's a copper washer on both sides. You can plainly see it right there. So all the rest of them, one of them is worn out. Now that one, I can see both of them. That's probably the best one. This one, you'll notice up here towards the front, it's almost completely worn out. So that definitely, this has to be replaced. And I'm not sure what planetary gear this is. I'm going to have to look it up on the manual to tell you which one. So, just so you know, I'm showing you how it goes. Putting that back on there for now. Actually, so let's go ahead and take a look up in here. So if you look, I can see down in the race right there where it started wearing right there on that bushing right there. So now I'm going to be taking this piece out right here and another needle bearing right here instead of that race. So kind of just going through and showing you everything about it. All right, I'll pull this out and show that part too.